Caleb from Learning with Caleb.
Hi, I'm Akibi from Learning with Akibi.
Today we'll be showing you how to make homemade mac and cheese burger.
The ingredients we'll need are Tony Chachere Creole seasoning, Parmesan and Romano cheese, mac and cheese, and ketchup. For toppings, we have tomatoes, onions, and lettuce.
We will also need Hellmann's mayonnaise, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and our ground beef. So we're gonna put in the paprika, and now we're going to put the black pepper inside. And now we're putting some garlic powder.
Now we're putting in some Creole seasoning. And some Parmesan cheese.
And we're gonna mix it up. Mixy, 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 mixy. I'm holding the bowl so my mom can mix it up.
So my mom rolled the ground beef into little balls and then made them into patties and then put them in the air fryer for 12 minutes at 350 degrees.
The boys are just going to put together their burger. Caleb is starting with... Caleb, what are you starting with?
Macaroni and cheese.
That's your first layer. Ikebi is putting on somewhat on your bread.
Mayonnaise.
And now I'm putting on my patty.
Now I'm putting my mac and cheese.
A little bit more mac and cheese for Ikebi.
And I just have to put on top bun and I'm done with my burger.
And now I put my patty on. Now I'm gonna put the tomatoes. Just some onions and to finish it off with the top bun. We decided not to use the ketchup. And there it is, mac and cheese burger. This burger was so delicious, I gave it a 10 out of 10.
It was so good. I rate the mac and cheese burger an infinity out of 10. Okay, I tricked you. It was a 10 out of 10. Stay tuned for more videos.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.